Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve is one of the best places near Canberra to enjoy easy walking trails, wildlife encounters, and hands-on nature play for kids. The reserve features a network of well-marked walking tracks that wind through open valleys, wetlands, forests, and mountain foothills. From short, flat strolls, perfect for families, to longer scenic walks, each trail offers the chance to spot kangaroos, wallabies, emus, and birdlife roaming freely in their natural environment. Every walk feels peaceful, immersive, and surrounded by wide open landscapes. A highlight for families is the Nature Discovery Playground, a beautifully designed play space that encourages kids to explore, climb, balance, and interact with nature. Built using natural materials and set within the reserve, the playground blends seamlessly into the landscape and lets children learn through play while staying connected to the outdoors. It's the perfect reward after a walk, or a great starting point before heading out on the trails. Whether you're visiting for wildlife spotting, a relaxed bushwalk, or a family-friendly day outdoors, Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve delivers an experience that's both educational and fun. With scenic walking trails and one of the best nature-based playgrounds in the region, it's a must-visit destination for anyone wanting to slow down, explore, and enjoy the natural world just outside Canberra. Don't forget to enjoy the little things in life. Subscribe to The Holiday Hunter and enjoy Australia with us.